The purpose of this video is to show how table of contents can be automatically generated within your Google Doc based on you using some of the styles that you've been asked to use for text on your previous pages. So I just brought up a generic template here. It's a book report template. And so let's insert a table of contents and see what we get. So we're going to go to the Insert menu, and at the bottom here, Table of Contents. There's two different types of table of contents. Feel free to explore both of them. We're going to look at the first one here. And so I see I've got an introduction, the setting, characters, plot, and conclusion. And then I have this text here. But let's see how this works first. So if I click here, the introduction, it takes me to the introduction. That makes sense. So if I go back to my table of contents and click on setting, it takes me to the page that starts about the setting. So this is generated because this text on each of these pages has been formatted with one of these heading styles. So it can be heading 1, 2, or 3, doesn't really matter, or 4. Any text that's formatted by using that one of those headings will show up in your table of contents. So we have something here that I'm not sure, like this content here probably doesn't really belong. So let's jump down to it and see why. Well, this has been formatted as heading 3. So again, I don't really want that text in my table of contents. So I'm just going to go back and say, I'm just going to format that as normal text, take off that style that was assigned to that text, go back up, and if I click this circular arrow, it'll update, and now it's gone. So if you get extra text in there and you're not really sure and you don't want it there, then that is a good way to find out and look at why it's there. And I'm just going to show you again. If I change all of this to heading 2, for instance, and then I go up and I update that, then those become part of the table of contents. So it's up to you what's important that becomes part of the table of contents. If something shows up in there, then basically you just go back and assign it normal text, update your table of content, and then it should disappear. So that's how easy it is to create a table of contents. Obviously, before you can do this, you have to format text and apply one of these styles. So those are the two big points that you have to know to create a table of contents, which really helps navigating through a lengthy document much easier. So I hope this video has helped you complete this assignment.